Oh, that's so pretty. It's weird, I can see it better on my camera than I can over there. The base behind it's dropping too.
Okay, got some good pictures there. I think that should be alright for now. I mean, for all we know, it's touching, but
It's getting a little wider again.
it's persistent. Gorgeous.
It might be down. Could be wrong. It's lifting. Yeah, I see it. Whoa.
My name is Andy Stevens. I'm a chaser out of Texas. 806 346
Connor, come here. I think it might be on the ground. Look through my camera.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize I was still there. Okay, yeah, just to let you know, there's
See, it's like
next to the
Three
funnel,
quarters now.
next to the funnel, there is some pretty rapid rotation. Might be getting ready to drop a little.
I think it's down.
That is so close to the ground.
Dude, it's such a skinny little rope. Thank you, no problem.